name is Kiki.
Hi, Kiki.
Yeah. I have been working in VIPKid more than 2 years. My first job in VIPKid is LP. LP is learning partner. The learning partner can help parents book teachers' classes and recommend the teacher to parents. Now I work in operation management to support all of our LPs. We will introduce ourselves first, and the first question that we ask the children is whether they have had experience learning with foreign teacher before. There are more than 4,000 LPs in 4 cities across the country. I think maybe only 1,000 or 2,000. Every child and parents are different, and their learning needs for English are also different. For example, some pay attention to grammar, some pay attention to pronunciation, and some pay attention to whole sentence output. You can also pay more attention to some parents or LP's message before the class to know more about the student. I think a good LP is attentive to the needs of the parents and answers their questions as soon as possible. Of course, these questions need to be related to VIPKid. I can tell them how to cook dinner. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment on the video. Bye bye.